Some commercially important alcohols. Methanol. Methanol, also called methyl alcohol, was originally produced by the destructive distillation of wood chips in the absence of air. This source led to the name wood alcohol. Today, most of the methanol is synthesized by a catalytic reaction of carbon monoxide with hydrogen. This reaction uses high temperatures and pressures. Properties. It is a colorless, inflammable liquid. Miscible with water in all proportions. It is poisonous in nature. When consumed, causes blindness and even death. Uses. As a solvent for paints, varnishes and celluloid, for denaturing industrial alcohol, that is to make it unfit for human consumption, as an antifreeze in automobile radiators. Some commercially important alcohols. Ethanol. Ethanol is obtained commercially by fermentation of molasses, which contains sucrose. The sugar in molasses is converted into glucose and fructose by the action of an enzyme, that is invertase. Now, the produced glucose and fructose undergo fermentation in the presence of enzyme zymase and produce ethanol and release carbon dioxide. Properties. Ethanol is a colorless, volatile liquid with pleasing smell and burning taste, miscible with water in all proportions. Uses. As an antiseptic in the form of rectified spirit, as an antifreeze in the radiator of automobiles, in spirit lamps, stoves, thermometers and spirit level.